Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 5 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn Tanween. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is Tanween. How do we pronounce Tanween in an Arabic accent? We will learn Tanween in this lesson with example. What is Tanween? Viewers, in an Arabic accent, two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called Tanween. I repeat, in an Arabic accent, two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called Tanween. Keep remember, two zabar is placed above the letter or top of the letter. Two zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter, whereas two pesh is placed above the letter or top of the letter. How do we pronounce Tanween in an Arabic accent? This is the example of Tanween: two zabar, two zer and two pesh. Two zabar and two pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas two zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How we pronounce Tanween, how we recite Tanween in an Arabic accent, let's learn with spelling. Zal, two zabar, zan, zal, two zer, zin, zal, two pesh, zun, zan, zin, zun. Again we pronounce, how we pronounce Tanween in an Arabic accent, we will learn with spelling. How do we pronounce? Let's learn. Zal, two zabar, zan, zal, two zer, zin, zal, two pesh, zun, zan, zin, zun. This is the example of Tanween. Thanks for watching. In next video, inshallah, we will learn more example of Tanween. Kindly share my video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.